Have you ever wondered how you can make the holiday season more meaningful, not just for you, but for others as well? It's a question that tugs at our hearts, and the answer lies in self-care. As the frosty air fills with joy and cheer, there's an opportunity to make a difference, to bring warmth to yourself. After all, the true spirit of the holiday season is about more than just giving. It's about caring for oneself. Practicing self-care during the holidays can have a profound impact on your mental and physical health. So what does self-care look like? Well, it's as diverse as the people who participate in it. Imagine taking a long, warm bath with your favorite bath bomb. There's the fizzing sound, the soothing aroma, and a moment of tranquility amidst the holiday rush. It's a humbling experience that reminds us of the power of self-love and self-care. Or picture yourself curled up with a good book and a hot cup of cocoa. The joy in your heart as you immerse yourself in a different world, perhaps your only quiet moment this season, is enough to warm the coldest winter night. It's not just about the book, it's about taking time for yourself. And don't forget about physical exercise. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a yoga session, or a workout at the gym, keeping your body active is a key aspect of self-care. The satisfaction of taking care of your body is palpable, and the sense of accomplishment is undeniable. Every step taken, every pose held, contributes to a larger purpose. These are just a few examples of the wide range of self-care activities out there, each one making a positive impact on your well-being and creating a ripple effect of goodwill. And the best part? The benefits of self-care don't just stop at you. They extend to those around you. As a happier, healthier, you can spread more joy and love. Self-care isn't just about feeling good, it's about spreading good too. Let's dive into some heartwarming tales of self-care during the holiday season. First, let's travel to the bustling city of New York, where a group of friends has made a tradition of hosting a spa day at home. They take turns giving each other facials, massages, and manicures, creating a space of relaxation and rejuvenation. Now, let's shift our attention to the sunny state of Florida, where a couple has found a unique way to practice self-care. They take a long, leisurely bike ride along the beach every morning, taking in the serene view and fresh air. Over in the heartland, in the small town of Springfield, Illinois, a woman has found comfort in baking. She spends her holiday season trying out new recipes and treating herself to some delicious homemade goodies. Out west, in the picturesque state of Colorado, a man takes to the mountains for a solo hiking trip each holiday season. The peace and tranquility he finds amidst nature is his form of self-care. And let's not forget about the countless individuals who spend their holidays practicing mindfulness and meditation, taking care of their mental health. These stories show us that the spirit of self-care during the holiday season is alive and well in every corner of the country. So wherever you are, remember, your time, your skills, and your kindness to yourself can make a world of difference. Are you feeling inspired to take action? Here's how you can get started with self-care during the holiday season. First things first, it's important to know what kind of self-care activity you're interested in. There are a plethora of options to choose from. You could be taking a long walk, reading a good book, or perhaps you'd like to try your hand at baking. Knowing where your passion lies will help you decide. Now, where to find these activities? There are several online platforms that can guide you. Websites such as MindBody and Calm are great places to start. You simply input your preferences and voila, a list of activities pops up. When choosing an activity, consider the time commitment. Some activities might require just a few minutes a day, while others might need more dedication. Be realistic about how much time you can commit. Also, remember to consider your skills. If you're a whiz in the kitchen, perhaps you could try out a new recipe. Finally, don't forget to think about the impact. While all forms of self-care are valuable, you might want to choose an activity where you feel your participation will make the most difference. This might mean choosing a smaller local class over a larger one, or choosing a practice that's close to your heart. In conclusion, practicing self-care during the holiday season is a rewarding experience that not only benefits you, but also enriches your life. So do some research, consider your time, skills, and the impact you want to make, and take that first step towards self-care. Remember, the best gift you can give yourself this holiday season is your time. This holiday season, we challenge you to make a difference. You've heard the stories, you've seen the impact, and now it's your turn to step into the light. Self-care isn't just about giving time to yourself, it's about loving yourself, your health, your well-being. It's about making your holiday season a little brighter, a little warmer, a little more filled with joy. Think about it. You could be the reason you smile this holiday season, the reason you feel a little less stressed, a little more loved. And isn't that what the holidays are all about? Spreading love, spreading joy, spreading hope. The benefits of self-care are countless. Not only does it make a difference in your life, but it also enriches your life in ways you never imagined. Change begins with you. This holiday season, give the gift of time to yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more inspiring content like this.